Verify the seal on the incoming shipment.
Seal is intact. Lot 4B confirmed.
Recording the sample time now. Moisture is reading 14.2%. Okay, let's log that and check the consistency next.
Sugar levels are stable.
Confirmed. Starting the mix cycle now.
Before production begins, seals and ingredient inlets are meticulously cleaned. The automated mixers then
Our professional workflow guarantees that the precise flavor components are evenly dispersed by the automated system.
The flow rate looks good.
Okay. Levels are stable, batch is clear.
Perfect consistency. We are within the specified tolerance.
The temperature in Zone 3 is holding steady. Good. The expansion rate looks optimal.
The automated inspection system meticulously checks each cookie for imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality products move forward.
The burn sensor caught that one just in time.
Good, the calibration is holding steady.
The diameter is within tolerance at 55 millimeters. Weight is spot on.
Recording the batch.
Here we see the controlled accumulation system, where multiple narrow conveyors precisely synchronize, organizing the product flow before it reaches the packaging stage. Through precise choreography, the automated system guides the fragile cookies into flawless rows, a testament to modern industrial efficiency. We're seeing 0 critical errors on the film alignment.
Good. Keep monitoring the closure integrity on the next run.
Everything looks good down here. Same here. This new setup is running smoothly.
Tension looks consistent across the center.
Yes, and the top seal is holding tight.
Grab that one, row 5.
Got it. Scanning now.
Pallet 3B is clear for loading. Confirmed. Route 7 manifest updated.
Right here, make sure this smudge is gone.
Got it.
All right, team, this unit is cleared for the cookie pallets.
Did you get the backload bar set?
Yeah, just finished it. Ready for the road.
We have 40 cases total. Check the manifest. Copy that. Moving the first stack now. Watch your step behind me.
That will be $350.
Thank you.